All right, everybody, prepare to be mesmerized if you've never seen this before. So, do you know what this is? Can you guess what this crispy, crunchy thing is? You might say, well, it looks dead. Well, this, everybody, is, any guesses? This is a pineapple. This is a pineapple that we bought from the store a long, long time ago. We bought it a long time ago, and that thing, as you can see, we ate it. Look, it even still has a little plastic thing on there for the Del Monte thing. Still has a little plastic on there. So, as you can see, it is gone. It is totally dried out. We ate it. It was delicious. And now I still have this, the crown. So you may be thinking, what are you going to do with that? What do you need that for? Well, I'm going to show you guys. Got my knife here, and I'm going to just start cutting. All right. So first thing I'm going to do is just cut all these off. Cut it all off. And, oh, this one's dead. This one is dead. Yeah, this one is dead. Ain't nothing in this one. Ain't nothing in this one. Let me see. Yeah, this one is dead. Okay, let's just keep cutting and see. We're gonna keep going, y'all. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. It's wet too. It's wet. This bad boy's still wet. It's still moist. You all probably can't tell, but this thing is still moist. So you know what that means? I'll tell you exactly what it means. That means we can plant this. This piece here is still alive. Still alive, y'all. Okay, so we are going to plant this. So come with me. Okay, so we are now outside on my patio. I'm going to plant this just as it is in some dirt. I need 2 hands, so I'm going to pause it. As you can see, it is in dirt. I'm going to top it off with a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Give it some water. Give it some rainwater. That's rainwater, y'all. Okay? Give it some rainwater. See that? Now I'm just gonna put it right there. and we're gonna see what happens. Now, check this out. Look at this. This is a pineapple that I've been growing for about a year now. That's a pineapple. As you can see, that thing is doing nicely. And I'm gonna have to put it in another pot. Yeah, so that's a pineapple. That's one. And here's another. So we got 2 pineapples growing. They say these things take about 3 years to grow. So, but yeah, as you can see, that is a pineapple that was grown. 2 pineapples that were grown from store-bought pineapples. We let them dry out, and then we just put them in the pot, and there you are. So we're gonna see how that goes. And I just planted another one. That's another one right there. I just did that one right before I did that one. So we're gonna let them things grow, and we're gonna see what happens. But it's amazing how you can grow food from food. So think about it, y'all. It's pretty cool. Grow your own food. You never know what you can do. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I had another one that didn't make it, but that's okay. You just keep trying till you get one. But I got 2 going, 2 solid ones, and I got 2 more in the pipeline. So we shall see. All right, guys. Peace out.